Yesterday, I showed you how to turn $50 into $5,000. But what happens when the government tries to take 30% of that hard-earned money? What if I told you there's a completely legal way to keep every single dollar of your first $10,000? That the IRS actually encourages this method, but almost no one uses it? It's called the Standard Deduction Optimization Strategy. Sounds complicated? It's not. Here's the 3-step system I used last year. Step 1. I opened a health savings account. Any bank can do this. You don't need a special job or income. Step 2. I automatically deposited $200 from every paycheck. This money comes out before taxes even touch it. Step 3. I used this account for qualified medical expenses that I was already paying for. Anyway, doctor visits, prescriptions, even certain over-the-counter medications. The result? I lowered my taxable income by exactly $10,200. On a typical salary, that means keeping an extra $2,000 that would have gone straight to taxes. This is just one of 5 legal tax strategies I used to save over $7,000 last year. If you want the other 4 methods, including how to write off your home office and car, smash that subscribe button right now. Because tomorrow, I'm revealing the single most powerful investment I ever made. A method that turned $100 into a monthly passive income stream that pays my rent. You're 2 clicks away from financial freedom. I'll see you in the next one.